Welcome to a journey inside one of the world's most breathtaking luxury homes. This residence is more than just architecture. It's a masterpiece that combines elegance, innovation, and timeless beauty. From the moment you see its silhouette, you realize this is not just a house. It's a vision of modern luxury brought to life.
Not just what we see, but how we live, how we believe. Crystal lights above, reflections deep and wide, modern lines with timeless minds and joy we cannot hide. Each corner holds a vision, each color speaks with grace. Design's a form of living, it's love in every place. Life teaches slow, like curves in stone. That comfort comes when hearts find home. No need for more, just space to breathe. Where beauty whispers, you achieve. In these walls of dreams, build our peace.
As we move through these magnificent spaces, notice how design and nature blend in harmony. The soft glow of natural light, the serene balance of colors, and the timeless materials that whisper luxury. Every detail, from the architecture to the ambience, speaks to those who crave both sophistication and comfort. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine yourself here, surrounded by peace, beauty, and inspiration.
In walls of dreams, we build our peace. With chandeliers and velvet seats, it's more than gold, it's where we grow. In every room, our hearts will know that luxury's not just what we see, but how we live, how we believe. So walk with pride through open doors. Luxury's life and so much more. Crystal like with pride through doors, with chandeliers and velvet seats, and so much more.
This home includes a private cinema, wine cellar, infinity pool, home spa, and smart home technology throughout. The kitchen, chef-grade, with state-of-the-art appliances and designer finishes. Bedrooms are luxurious sanctuaries, each with en-suite bathrooms and walk-in closets.
Every echo has a call. In these walls of dreams, we build our peace. With chandeliers and velvet seats, it's more than gold, it's where we grow. In every room, our hearts will know that luxury's not just what we see, but how we live, how we believe. Crystal lights above, reflections deep and wide, modern lines with timeless minds and joy we cannot hide. Each corner holds a vision, each color speaks with grace. Design's a form of living, it's love in every place. Life teaches slow, like curves in stone. That comfort comes when hearts find home. No need for more, just space to breathe. Where beauty whispers,
Whether it's a modern mansion in Los Angeles, a countryside retreat in England, or a coastal villa in Spain, each property invites you to dream beyond the ordinary. This is not just a home tour, it's an experience, a reminder that beauty can be lived, touched, and felt. If you're captivated by luxury architecture, inspiring interiors, and the art of refined living, then this channel is your destination. Subscribe to Dream Homes Tour, luxury designs for more breathtaking journeys inside the world's most extraordinary homes. Turn on the notifications and let every new video take you somewhere you've never been, yet always dreamed of.